Hi, I'm Kumud Rai. I'm from Gangtok, Sikkim. By profession, I'm a pastry chef, and I came here. I always was interested in flowers and all, mostly because of the colors. But after I came here, I got to know about the technique and all, and it was like an eye opener for me. The flower is not just about holding bunch and all. It was like very, what to say, it opened a new door for me. And what I liked about this class, this school, was the team members. They are extremely helpful, and I found that they are extremely skillful as well. Dexterous, versatile, and extremely helpful. And that I'm taking away from this class is, of course, the technique is there, but now I'm getting a clear picture of what I want to do with this flower arrangement thing. Like if I want to do it in a professional way, and I would like to come back to the school because I think that I can learn from here. Thank you.